Shopify Fashion Store Setup Step-by-Step Guide. If you want to set up your fashion store on Shopify, follow this detailed step-by-step guide to create, customize, and launch a successful store. Step 1. Create a Shopify account. 1. Go to Shopify's official website, https://www.shopify.com. 2. Click on Start Free Trial and enter your email. 3. Choose your store name and log in to your Shopify dashboard. Step 2. Configure basic store settings. Go to Settings greater than 1: General in the Shopify dashboard. 2: Update your store information, name, contact details, address. 3. Set your currency and time zone. 4: Add payment methods, PayPal, Stripe, cash on delivery, etc. Step 3. Choose a theme and customize store. Design 1. Go to Online Store. Themes in Shopify. 2: Browse free or premium Shopify themes. 3: For fashion stores. Good themes include Dawn, Debutify, and Ella theme. 4: Click on Customize and adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Step 4. Add products to your store. 1. Go to Products greater than Add product in Shopify. 2: Enter product name, description, price, images, and variants. 3. Write SEO-friendly descriptions and upload high-quality images. 4: Click Save to add the product to your store. Step 5. Create collections and categories. 1. Navigate to Products greater than Collections. 2: Click Create Collection, e.g. menswear, womenswear, winter collection. 3: Choose automatic or manual product selection. 4. Add relevant products to the collections. Step 6. Create essential store pages. 1. Go to Online Stores pages. Create the following pages. Point 1. About us. Introduce your brand. Point 2. Contact us. Add customer support details. Point 3. Shipping and return policy. Define delivery and refund policies. Point 4. Privacy policy. Inform customers about data usage. Step 7. Set up navigation and menus. 1. Go to Online Store greater than Navigation. 2. Edit main menu and footer menu. 3: Add Home, Shop, Collections, Contact, and About Us links to your menu. Step 8. Configure payment and checkout settings. 1. Go to Settings greater than Payments. 2. Set up Shopify payments, PayPal, Stripe, or KOD. 3. Customize your checkout settings. Step 9. Set up shipping rates. 1. Go to Settings greater than Shipping and Delivery. Define free shipping, flat rate, or weight-based shipping options. Step 10. Test your store before launching one. Enable test mode in Settings greater than Payments. 2. Place a test order to check the checkout process. Step 11. Connect a custom domain. 1. Go to Online Store greater than Domains. 2. Buy a new domain from Shopify or connect an existing one. Step 12. Set up SEO and marketing. 1. Go to Online Store greater than Preferences and add SEO details. 2. Create social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. 3. Connect Facebook and Instagram shop. 4. Set up Google Ads and Facebook ads for promotions. Step 13. Launch your store and start promotions. 1. Go to Settings greater than Remove Password page to make your store live. 2. Announce your launch on social media and email marketing. 3. Use influencer marketing, paid ads, and promotions to drive traffic. Congratulations! Your Shopify fashion store is ready. If you need further assistance with any step or want to optimize your Shopify store, feel free to ask. Don't forget to support the channel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Hit the like button to show your support and leave a comment to share your thoughts or ask questions. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might find it useful. Your support means the world to me and helps me create even better content for you. Thank you.